Hey everyone, imagine you're cruising down the road and suddenly your car hesitates or struggles to shift gears. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0981 appears. This trouble code is linked to the Shift Solenoid D control circuit high, meaning your car's transmission isn't getting the right signals to change gears properly. Ignoring this issue could lead to serious transmission damage. In this video I'll break down what P0981 means, where the critical sensors are located and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0981? DTC P0981 stands for Shift Solenoid D Control Circuit High. Your vehicle's transmission control module, TCM, manages shift solenoids to control fluid pressure and gear shifts. When the circuit voltage for solenoid D is too high, shifting becomes rough, delayed, or even impossible. Symptoms of P0981. If your car is showing this code, you might notice harsh or delayed gear shifts, slipping transmission, check engine, light or transmission warning light, car stuck in one gear, limp mode, poor fuel efficiency, sensor and component locations, very important. To fix P0981, check these key components. Shift solenoid D location. Inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission pan. Function. Controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Location. Mounted near the battery, under the dashboard, or on the transmission casing. Function. Sends electrical signals to shift solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location. Found on the transmission case near hydraulic lines. Function. Ensures correct fluid pressure for shifting. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location. Runs between the TCM and shift solenoids inside the transmission. Function. Transfers electrical signals for gear changes. What causes P0981? The most common reasons for this error include 1. Faulty shift solenoid, D. Stuck or failing electrically. 2. Wiring issues, short circuits, corrosion or loose connectors. 3. Faulty TCM transmission control module, sending incorrect voltage. 4. Low or dirty transmission fluid, prevents proper solenoid function. 5. Bad ground connection, causes high voltage readings in the circuit.